Bop, 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 bop. So we're just going to go up. Bop, 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 bop.
Hi, Jonathan.
And the coil's starting to come off there a little bit, Mom.
You're looking at me?
That looks like something, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's looking at her.
Bop, 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 bop. Little facial change there.
Jonathan.
We're perilously close to something there. Yeah, he's listening.
Jonathan.
There we go.
Jonathan.
Okay. Alright, so I think we're pretty close to something there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to live speech and I'm going to bring him up 20 points.
Okay. So it brings all the red up?
I'm going to bring just the sea level up, maybe even just 10 points.
Hey, where you
Because I
going?
know we're close to threshold.
See him?
Mm-hmm. Bop, 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 bop.